Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 114 of Building Your Own Back to the Future DeLorean in 1/8 scale. This is a repetitive episode, so I won't be filming all of it. I'll do the first bit and then I'll go back and repeat with all the other multiple bits and then put it all together for you. What we are doing is adding these pieces. They are, what does it call them? Reactor drum details. Nothing special, just details for the reactor drum. They are going around the outside, basically, all the way around the outside. And then we get to install the drum onto the part we've been working on before, securing the electric cable underneath until we are good to go. The animated adventures, I've not seen any of those. I've played a bit of the game, but I wasn't aware that there was an animated adventures. I shall have to track that down and not watch it, because I don't watch it. But it's interesting that it's there. 1955 part 2 question mark, maybe, I don't know, 2 exclamation marks. Is that you, Mum? Yeah, I don't, why are we going back to that? I don't know why we're looking at that again now, but there we go. Next time we have some reactor details to put on just for a change, so yeah, let's get these bits done. So we have the reactor from last time, the drum that we put the bulb into. We're going to be putting these around the edge. They go on basically like so, if I've got that the right way up, with the screw hole underneath. There is only one screw hole on these. Actually, there is a hole that goes all the way through it, but there's a circular locating piece that locates into there. And we need CP screws to hold these in place. I'm going to get all of these attached around the outside and then come back and show you attaching this to the base from before. Well, there we have it, all assembled around the edge there, just decorative bits. They don't really do anything, obviously. Then we have this to fit down. The wire obviously fits through the hole there. The important label information to tell us where we've got to plug it in. Not so important on this one, there's only one plug, I think. This has a single post and obviously 2 screw holes. The post goes at the back there, like so. Wire comes out, goes along that groove. We've got 2 BP screws to hold this in place. I should mention, another screwdriver supplied with this issue. I didn't use it, it's a bit rubbish. But probably because the CP screws that I've had to use for that were quite tiny. So the bigger screwdriver that you've been using up till now may be too big for it. The one I've got is fine for it, but it's nice that they think of these things and supply you extra tools as and when needed if they think you're going to need it. So there we have the reactor base on there. Then we have the KM screw to hold the wire trap guide in place. Oh, if I can get that on the end of the screwdriver anyway. There we go. So yeah, that's going obviously all the way along to there. And as ever, one end of this, the plug. Get it in the right place. Come on. You know you want to. Let's see. Is it that side? Is it that side? I think it's that side. So the screw will go in the other end. Get the wire under there first. And then not do it again. Right. One more try before I give it up and do it later. Try getting the screw in while holding it. That might be another way of doing it. So let's get the wire out of the way. No, I shall get that done. It's going to look like that, you know, basically how it's going to work. Not a problem. So that is it. Another issue complete. Starting to look like a reactor base and lots of stuff happening. Obviously more things to add to that as the weeks go by. So I shall see you for more of that next time. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.